we learn about next data type, that is list. So what is list? A list is an ordered collection of elements, in many ways very similar to vector. However, there are many important differences between a list and vector. We learn one by one. With list, you can include any combination of data types. Means you can add vector data type, you can add numeric data type, you can add another list to a list. All these things you can do. This differs from other data structure like vectors, matrix, factors, all these things. So lists are highly versatile and useful data type. A list in R acts as a container style object, in that it can hold many values that you can store temporarily or pull out as needed. So to define a list, we need to use list function. Okay, so if I replace here C by list function, so it will be converted by list data type. Okay, so let's replace the variable name rainfall. Rainfall. I am going to execute. Let's omit the elements. List elements. So these are the elements of this list, and my list name is rainfall. So let's execute this one. My code is successfully executed, and if I write class of rainfall, okay, class of rainfall, it will give me what is the class. So you can see list. So it is list data type. Okay, if I write length function, after that if I mention the list name, that is rainfall, it will show me how many elements is there. So total 12 elements is there. So if I write the variable name in console and press enter, so it will print all the elements. So it will print all the elements. So it is the way of printing the elements when it is a list. Okay, so first element is 1, so second element is 5, third element is 0, fourth element is 1. So where what is represented by double third bracket? Okay, so here 2 square bracket indicates it is the position of the element, okay, in that list. So here 1 is in between 2 square brackets, means it is the first element. Here 2 is in between 2 double square brackets, it means it is the second element, like that. And after that, in between 1 square bracket, whatever the value is hidden, so this is the number of elements in that position. Okay, so this is the 1 element, so that is why it starts with 1 position, that is why it is hidden 1. So every position there is a 1 element. Suppose there is another variable, okay, suppose there is another variable, that is rainfall underscore 2, which is having different type of data. Okay, so here I am using list function to assign it is a list data type. Then let's say rainfall. Okay, it will be consist of quotation. Let's say 5. Then numeric type 6. Then one vector like 8, 9, 10. Okay, one quotation square bracket I need to omit here. Now add one list, another list 1, 2, 3. Okay, now close. So what I did, I have assigned one list, that is the name is rainfall underscore 2, and here character data type is there, numeric element is there, one vector data type is there, and one list element is there. Now I am going to execute. Okay, so my code is successfully executed. So let's run all these things. Length link. In between I will write rainfall 2 and press enter. So it will show the total number of elements is 4, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So if I write the variable list name in my console and press enter, it will show me all the elements. Now let's understand. Okay, so that is one first element, that is 5, and it has position number 1. Second element, so it is 6. Okay, position number 2. Third element, there is a it is a vector and having 3 data, 8, 9, 10. So it is showing. Okay, and fourth element, so it is, you can see it is a fourth element and it is a list. So for list, again another square bracket is added, position number 1, position number 2, position number 3. Okay, so that means whether it is a list, what should be the position and what is the position of the elements it is representing. So this is the way of creating or defining a list element or list data type. Okay.